Airplane flight, a lift the flap adventure. In the cockpit, Captain Bright makes sure everything works right. Wing flaps open, wing flaps close. Lights shine bright on tail to nose. The rudder's moving free and clear so that Captain Bright can steer. Looks like we are good to go, the captain tells co-pilot Snow. Co-pilot Snow asks ground control, "Are you ready? Can we roll?" The ground crew says no need to wait and guides the plane back from the gate. Once the jet is in position, the captain presses the ignition. Turbines spin and engines whine. The plane rolls out to runway 9. Cleared for takeoff, says the tower. Big jet engines roar with power. Roger, says co-pilot Snow. Fasten seatbelts, here we go. The aircraft rises fast and fleet, up to 30,000 feet. At this rate, says Captain Bright, we'll be right on time tonight. Uh-oh, storm clouds up ahead. The radar screen is flashing red. Lightning, wind, and driving rain make it hard to fly the plane. Can the jet get where it's bound, or will it have to turn around? Captain Bright, in perfect form, flies the plane around the storm. There's the airport down below. Runway lights are all aglow. Captain Bright lowers the landing gear. Now that they are almost here, the wheels touch smoothly on the ground. They have landed safe and sound. As they taxi to the gate, the co-pilot says, "We're not even late. Thank you, Captain Bright, for a safe and happy flight." The end. Thank you for reading with us. Subscribe to the channel. Bye.